Ajay, apprise us, tell us what's the situation in Jammu at this point in time. You can see in Delhi and elsewhere in the country, this has taken a turn for the worse when it comes to the safety and security of medical professionals, as well as now the treatment, as well as the timely intervention when it comes to patients who are looking for some sort of a treatment in various government and non-governmental hospitals.
Who basically gave their life to in a profession in which they are supposed to treat a person who basically get help if that help is not extended, if treatment is not given on time, then what could be the result of everyone knows. We have with us some doctors, those who are continually protesting over here after this incident has happened, and not only today, but they are protesting from the day one and raising their voice that they need to be protected, they need to be secured, and that's why they are wearing this black badges on their shoulder and to lodge a protest over here. How the situation is going on over here in the Jammu, because they are also on the protest and also conveying, they want to convey to the government that how important they are and how important their security is. Let's speak to Dr. Shubham, who is a president of resident doctors of Jammu Medical College. Dr. Shubham, how do you see like this situation? No doubt that patients, they are important, but how important is the security of the doctor as well?
The violence on doctors, it has remained a matter of concern, but unfortunately nobody is paying attention over it. And this recent incident which happened at Kolkata, it has actually shaken the soul of humanity. We can understand the mentality of such a mob. The mob was so brutal that they tried to spoil the evidence. They had attacked that hospital. Around a mob of 3,000 to 4,000 was present there, and it seems to be totally politically conspired. And their intent was just to spoil all those evidences. And as far as security, the violence on doctors, as it is concerned, so we want our lawmakers, we want the Government of India, and we want the Ministry of Family and Health and Family Welfare to frame some very harsh laws, which will punish such goons and such people who manhandle, who assault the doctors on duty. Because we are the first respondent. The resident doctors, he is actually the backbone of the healthcare system. They are actually the backbone of healthcare system. Every time we used to have 2 36-hour duties in week. So our working hours, these are much more than any other profession in this, I think, in this country.
You're right, sir. You're right. Let's speak to female doctor. Doctor is with us. Ma'am, how do you feel when it comes to your security? And have you ever faced such situation at the medical college in Jammu that some manhandling or something?
Sir, अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा डर का माहौल बना हुआ है हम लोगों के बीच में. हम अभी फ़िलहाल यहाँ ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट, इतना मेजर इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ है, बट आई थिंक यहाँ पे भी लोग यही वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब ऐसा मेजर इंसिडेंट होगा और उसके बाद ही हमारी सिक्योरिटी और इन सब चीज़ों की तरफ ध्यान दिया जाएगा. जहाँ तक आप बात करें मैन हैंडलिंग की, तो ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग नाइट ड्यूटीज़ पे होते हैं. कॉरिडोर्स में से जब हम निकलते हैं, वी ऑल्सो डोंट फील सेफ एट मोमेंट्स. In fact, the staff here or the people roaming here and there, they are always drunk or intoxicated. So we don't feel safe at our workplace.
So what is required right now?
We want that Central Protection Act is implemented throughout the country and reinforced, and we want security personnel to be deployed at our workplace.
Let's speak to some other doctors as well. What about your strike today? Because patients, those who are coming for the treatment, what about them? How they are getting treated? Because emergencies, I'm told that working. What about the OPDs and other things?
जो ओपीडी थी वो बंद रखी थी हमने. इलेक्टिव सर्विसेज थी वो बंद थी. इमरजेंसी सर्विस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं किया. पेशेंट्स हम देख रहे हैं, हमारे सीनियर डॉक्टर्स देख रहे हैं, हमारे कुछ रेजिडेंट्स भी हैं जो हमें ड्यूटी पे देख रहे हैं. बट जो आज का प्रोटेस्ट, कल का प्रोटेस्ट, जब से ये इंसिडेंट हुआ है, उसका हमारा एक ही मेन मोटिव है कि सिक्योरिटी ऑफ रेजिडेंट्स. अब वो सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन के एक्ट के थ्रू करें या कोई और एक्ट बनाए, बट ये मेक श्योर करें कि जो रेजिडेंट्स को है वो सिक्योरिटी मिले.
मैं एक चीज़ आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा. लगता है ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, इसमें जस्टिस जल्दी मिलना चाहिए और जस्टिस डिले वाला सिस्टम जो है,
ऑफ कोर्स जस्टिस जल्दी मिलना चाहिए. एज वी ऑल से, जस्टिस जस्टिस डिलेड इज जस्टिस डिनाइड. तो इतना टाइम लग गया है, अभी तक हमें दिख नहीं रहा है कि हमें कहीं जस्टिस मिलने वाला है जल्दी. जो वहाँ पे एविडेंसेस को डिस्ट्रॉय किया गया है, जस्टिस मिलने की बजाय वहाँ पे जस्टिस को और ज़्यादा दबाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट। तो
लगता है ये वहाँ पे जो हो रहा है, द डिले विच इज हैपनिंग एंड डिस्ट्रॉइंग एविडेंस एंड अदर थिंग्स, दैट इज आल्सो गोइंग टू शेल्टर द क्रिमिनल्स एंड इट विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल।
Exactly, it is what the ruling party, matlab the ruling government there wants. Whole of the evidence has been spoiled. The body was not handed over to family for 3 hours. 3 years, even the culprits who were suspected, we heard that they had gone abroad. They were safely placed from here to some other country. So there is something huge in it. There is something huge in it. The principal who was actually posted there during that time span, he actually, instead of giving demotion, he is promoted to some other much better institute. So instead of giving demotion, he is actually promoted. So what the lawmaker bodies and what the administration there is doing. So that's the question arises from.
What comes in your mind if something like this is happening? So what comes in your mind that what could happen to the other places as well?
Other places, it's a pan-India call of both of Indian Medical Association, the senior doctors and the junior doctors. So we are protesting here from last 2 days, and we are on indefinite protest till some justice is served. We want fast-track courts to run to sort this issue. To sort the issue. And
So how do you see, like you are also on the protest, you are going for a candle march as well. So what are the demands and what need to be done as soon as possible?
वही हमारी डिमांड वैसी हैं जैसे सेंट्रल इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन की डिमांड्स हैं। एक तो सबसे पहले जो सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट वो जल्द से जल्द इंप्लीमेंट किया जाए, और जो भी कल्प्रिट हैं इस केस के लिए, जो भी रेप और ब्रूटल मर्डर हुआ है, उस कल्प्रिट को जल्द से जल्द सजा दी जाए।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.